ahead, man. Go right.
All right. Nob Hill Street stairs. Actually, here in Nob Hill on Fridays during the summer, before daylight savings time, great volleyball games from 4 in the afternoon to about 7:30. Nob Hill courts, old school 4-man volleyball. There's the street, picture of the beach again. Go back down stairs. Go to the Nob Hill stairs, Redondo Beach, south of pier. I think there's only 2 or 3 more flight of stairs before I get to the pier. Another absolutely gorgeous day on the beach, guys. Back on the pathway, guys. Talk to you later.